Hello to all my friends out there. So tonight I made a chili ravioli bake. And so I have a meal plan and I added casserole. So I have 8 meals, but you know, it's only 7 days a week. So let's see, I haven't made chicken, I haven't made fish, I did make eggs, I did make beans, I did make soup. So tonight is casserole. So okay, I had this cookbook, and so really, to tell you the truth, it didn't sound really super duper, but it sure does smell good. And so I said, I'm gonna try this because all you need is a can of raviolis, a can of corn, a can of chili. It's supposed to be no beans, but mine has beans, some cheese, and some corn chips. And so I happen to have all that stuff in my stockpile, so I thought, this is a perfect prep meal. Ooh, you guys, this looks good. Let's see if I can get it out of here without killing myself. It's really hot. All right, so here is the casserole. And so it makes a lot. So you figure, okay, I had the Stealthy Car Living. So when I was doing the Stealthy Car Living, I stockpiled the mini raviolis, corn, 50 cents, chili, $1. So right here, it's $2. I put about maybe 1/3, so say 3 ounces of cheese. And then I had a few corn chips, so you figure this might be $3 or $4. And so I did this thing about, I don't know, a week ago. And so this is the food pyramid, so you need 2 to 3 servings of yogurt, milk, yogurt, and cheese. So the easiest thing, and so it's been postulated, a lot of this sickness is caused by calcium deficiency. So the best way to get this is powdered milk, is 2 cups of powdered milk per day. So that gives you the 2, and I already had some yogurt, and I buy this at Walmart. So, okay, so if I drink this every day, if I give up my tea and my Diet Coke at dinner, the other night I had milk in my Cheerios, that was good. So, taking a look at this, fats and oils sparingly, milk, yogurt, cheese, 2 to 3 servings, vegetables, 3 to 5 servings, meat, poultry, fish, beans, eggs, and nuts, 2 to 3. Okay, this has chili beans in it. Fruit groups, 2 to 4 servings. Bread, cereal, rice, and pasta. So this has pasta and corn in it. A long time ago, I think people used to eat more casseroles. But one thing about casseroles, ooh, yummy, this looks good. One thing about casseroles is they make a lot. Ooh, look at this. This looks good. So I have never gotten a bum recipe out of this cookbook, so I was kind of confident. Let me show you the front of it. I bought this at a thrift store. I posted all the recipes on Twitter if you guys want to find the recipe. All right, now let me try this, and I will tell you. See, here's one of my raviolis. When I bought these raviolis and this chili, you know, for the Stealthy Car Living thing, I didn't know what I was going to do with it. Let's see. I like it. I'm going to be having a casserole of some sort. I'm counting lasagna as a casserole. Okay, so I like it. So chili ravioli bake. I made cookies today. I made bread today. And I have plenty of leftover ravioli chili bake. And God bless you all.